Okay, starting from where we left off on Friday. So this is the wall for the kitchen, and you can see that it's drywalled all the way up into the space above the pantry. Down the wall of the kitchen, around the window. That was all done last week already. And now the rest of the ceiling of the main room has been completed. Completely drywalled from the front wall to the bearing wall right at the back. And this wall over here is basically done as well. They have some cutting out to do around the window there, and around the door there, and have to go down the staircase, but this window is done as well.
Well, they've only done just a little piece there for some reason.
Yeah, that's probably to get it evened out with a full sheet or something from the.
I think so. Sort of pulling it up.
Yeah, so there'll probably be a full sheet that can actually
go down.
fit in that space. Maybe one in and one turned sideways yet. I don't know. Anything done in here? Yep. So this bedroom, I guess too dark.
Oh, they've got this done.
Well, this wall is done as well.
I thought they did that already.
Nope. It's only the kitchen that was done on Friday. As I remember it anyways. So the wall of the bedroom is done around the window. The back wall is not. You can still see the styrofoam. And the wall against the bathroom is done. And the higher piece to the hallway is also done. All the way to the ceiling. But the ceiling is not done.
The bathroom was done before, though. Like the toilet area.
Downstairs it was, but not here. So here we've got the toilet area, the water closet. All the space. Right up to the ceiling. Oh, you can still see the air return pipe before, Trish. Now you can only see the opening. And the wall at the back of the shower is also here. Oh, but they didn't go all the way down the door frame.
So what do you say is the back of the shower? What's the front of the shower?
Okay, the controls for the shower.
I'm just saying, like, what, this is...
Well, the shower head is there, so this would be the feet then, right?
I guess.
Well, I don't know. And nothing is done in the main bathroom. Oh, this is kind of interesting. They left the door open. So I think, Trish, they're going to be finished putting the drywall in tomorrow. Given the speed that they went in here.
I don't know, they have to do that thing.
Pardon?
All that, this, up there, bedroom, bath. Yeah, I think there's a couple days anyways.
I bet you it's one day.
Okay, I'll take that back.
And then they start taping, I would think.
Yeah.
So, more good progress. As I said, I think I will come back and compile this together rather than doing it day by day as we're going along. I think it's probably a better way of doing it, but it's nice to see that things are moving along. All right, talk to you soon. So we're here to see what else has been done, and I'm just going to quickly, they did.
Oh, they did that, yeah.
So they've done the outside of the beginning of the staircase here. I'm just going to quickly go through, see if they've done anything more. I don't think there's anything left to do in here though, was there?
No, I don't think so.
I am going to like this space. Okay, upstairs. So the blower is still on, so it's heating up the pad that's sitting underneath that box there. So it's essentially the main heating element for the entire house. There's a couple of pretty high-tech coils in there, and a fan to move air around the piping that's in the floor itself. All right, going upstairs. Oh, see, that piece, Trish,
What?
is damaged in the corner, but I think it's probably going in here at some point.
Yeah, probably.
So the staircase is not done yet on this side.
Still hold on.
You're still able to go up today. And they didn't finish the pantry today. It's interesting. They were working in here when I talked to them. So this bedroom was mostly done yesterday, right? Not completely. I think this wall was not finished.
And this. So this is all done.
So this bedroom is complete. Okay. And
Oh,
the
the
bathroom
bathroom is-
is complete. Ah, now you can see how it looks. So there's the light above the vanity. The vanity will be there. So you see the plumbing, and you see the shower head, where that's where the shower head will be attached. There's the controls, and the tiling will be on the floor, and there will be heated floor in here with other tiles. And on the walls, you want to talk about the tiles on the walls?
I'd rather show them another time.
Well, I did
Well,
show them
there's-
the.
Yeah, there's 12 by 12s just in the WC and in here. Then there's more hexagon tiles in there, and then there's porcelain longer tiles, and they look like barn board wood type of thing. So it's all in gray colors. Mostly the vanity's gray. The faucet is black, so it's going to be gray and black, and then probably painted white. Like the rest of the house, will probably be painted mostly white.
Watch. You're getting.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta watch where you're walking now.
You can probably put a towel rack here, so then you can hang a towel
Just
when
a
you go
small
into
little
the
one.
shower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it doesn't get wet.
Yeah, I mean, then you can grab it and then you can put it on
Mm-hmm.
the electric one to dry.
I meant a small rack,
Oh.
not a small towel. Okay, and here's the master bedroom. It is now completely finished as well. You can start to see the outside. They've moved the plywood a little bit. There's a couple of lights above the headboard, and switches and receptacles, and there will be a baseboard here in the corner, wherever the table is. There it is right there, the orange one, red one. And light, heat recovery, ventilation, the switch. And now into the main room. Pantry is not done. Above the pantry finished? Well, 2 walls out of the 4.
So really it's that wall there.
That wall needs to be finished yet.
And then down the stairs.
And the back of
back
the
of this one. Yeah.
the staircase, the knee wall. So just 2 big walls yet, and then the pantry, basically.
Yeah. I can't see that taking 3 days.
No, I don't. I think they'll be able to. Whether they will start
Mudding.
mudding or not, or taping, is another question. But
I hope they do, because then I can get paintings started.
yeah, I don't know that you would want to start painting when there's still lots of dust in the air, though, Trish.
No, they have to do all their mudding and sanding and mudding and sanding. And the thing is that when you paint and you put the drywall primer, it takes down the dust all.
Yeah, I suppose.
Not putting on the good paint yet.
Small little window there. Another small little window above the toilet, or will be. This one's open, the other one's not. More light in here now. Okay, that brings us to the end of progress for Tuesday, May the 3rd. And we'll catch you up even further as we go through the week. Talk to you later. Okay, so this is Wednesday afternoon, and we think, because they've left already at 1 o'clock or so, that installing the drywall is finished. So we're going to go and take a look. And right off the bat, so we came into the front door, and we see that the wall that has not been touched before has now been drywalled. So there's drywall there leading up into the stairway, and from what I can see on the wall going up the stairway, it's done as well. So this was finished yesterday, and so this is the new stuff from here to the corner and then going up the entire stairway. So let's see. Oh, but it's not finished up there.
I wonder why.
They run out of drywall, maybe?
Oh, that could be.
And there's a, oh, that, you know what that board is for? So I think that's, that'll be the last thing that they do, Trish.
Yeah,
because they're putting the, they've got a
ledger board.
No. So that board is only there temporarily so that they can actually put a platform above it,
Right,
so that they
but
can
it's still
stand on
called
it.
the ledger board, is it not? Because it's giving them a ledge to put their scaffolding across, so
Sure.
they can get up.
Temporary.
Temporary. But that's why.
Okay, and here as well, so on the outside of the pantry, it's finished. Inside of the pantry is finished. Outside of the space above the pantry is finished. And the space inside the space above the pantry is finished.
Kids know. No, there's still some drywall left.
So that'll be for that last section.
Uh-huh.
So the kitchen is complete as it was yesterday. So looking across, window and the door have been finished, and the space.
This wall had to be done.
Oh yeah, that's right. The wall at the front of the house needed to be finished, so the south facing wall. And that's completely finished now. Oh look, they've used lines to tell them where they
Yeah.
they're doing that freehand, or they're doing that with some kind of tool, maybe a pencil.
Yeah. Wonder why just there, as opposed to
No, it's on that wall
other
too.
places. Yeah, just a few.
Well, just the walls that have ICF on them, Trish. Oh, this one's not done.
No.
They did make markings at the top, but it doesn't carry on through to the bottom. Anyways, so the back wall with the Celestri windows, now you can see the windows and where they're going to be placed, where those are situated. The drywall is complete there, except for the section where they're doing the scaffolding, so that they can do the taping and the mudding. So it's starting to look much more complete than it did before, right? Let's see. So there's no light in there, so I'm not going to go in there, but we saw that completed yesterday. So it's bedroom number 1, or the guest bedroom, bathroom, and the water closet. Again, everything is complete in here, including the half wall, knee wall between where the vanity is going to be and the shower is going to be. So that wall is now complete on all sides, ready for. And in the master bedroom,
That was done yesterday.
this entire space is complete now too. So the house, with the exception of where that scaffolding is completely drywalled. It is finished.
Now we need the taping and the mudding.
According to our contractor Jay,
Yeah, there's that piece.
taping is supposed to start happening on Monday.
But we'll
So-
see if they'll come tomorrow. We'll have to see.
Yeah, who knows if they need to have a long weekend or what the story is.
It's only Wednesday today,
Yeah, exactly,
So-
that's right. So maybe it'll
It's 2
start
days.
Thursday.
but maybe they have another job they have to start. I don't know.
I don't know if I made a comment about it in the previous days, but there was a damaged piece of drywall that I said was probably going to go up on the wall, and there's the damaged piece of drywall. You can see it right at the bottom of the staircase, right where the second floor meets the staircase itself. So at the bottom of that knee wall that we've got there. Anyhow, it's good to see that the drywall is complete. We've got some light in here now, so there are 2 windows that are open in the main space. You can see them. So there's the one window over there, and the other window over here. There's a window in the bathroom that's open, so it's giving needed light in here, so you don't have to have as many artificial lights anymore. The heater apparently is still going downstairs, so I think they're trying to decrease the amount of humidity that's in the air. But other than that, I think we are ready to go. So I'm going to finish off this video and get it posted this afternoon or this evening, and ready for the next stage. Talk to you soon.